Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 14. Today is Sunday, July 7th. I started in here about 5:30 p.m. And what I'm going to do, paint that gold tail panel. I got some of the car plastic covered. I'm going to use a small gun. Let me get it here. This little guy, little touch-up gun. It doesn't really make a big mess. I should have enough stuff covered up. If not, I'll deal with that later. All right, so let me grab my gloves and my whatchamacallit respirator and get the paint in this cup and start spraying. Something I didn't mention in the other videos. I have this Ionix static eliminator. You stick it in line with a gun, and all it does is spray ionized air over what you're about to paint. The ionized air is supposed to eliminate static electricity. The static electricity can cause paint to get like weird looking pops and pock marks. And this is supposed to help eliminate that. So I have been doing that when I remember on the other parts of the car. So I just thought I'd show you that. All right, I don't know if you can hear me through my respirator. I got 3 ounces of gold in here. You only take a couple coats. Okay, gonna let that dry for about 10 minutes and get it again. I'm gonna try something else on this car that I've never done before. I'm gonna paint the silver part of those wheels gold, the same gold I'm putting on the back of the car. That outside silver rim is clear coat's coming off, so I have to resurface that anyways. So I think I'll try painting those gold, and I'm not afraid to try something, see if it works or not. The last coat that I sprayed on the car just a few minutes ago, the microphone wasn't turned on, so you probably saw me spray and didn't hear anything, but on there. Got to give it about 8 or 9 more minutes, and then I will spray probably the final coat on. The quarter panel, the rest of the quarter panel, I cut that back part off, put on the car. That's for sale if somebody wants that. It's got really good wheelhouses, inner and outer. Good shape, $200, you can have it. Okay, this should be the third and last coat. battery in my microphone died and you didn't get to hear what I was saying, but I was concentrating spraying more on the left side because that's where I sanded through, and I wanted to make sure I have enough paint to cover it. And today, which is Monday, whatever the date is, 8th, I guess, I'm starting in here about 10 a.m. and I'm going to start sanding down the glazing body powder. So I'm going to set you up and go to work. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me. Got my respirator on, got my paint gun, got the car ready. It's all sanded down with 800. I use wax and grease remover. Cleaned that up, blew everything off, used the ionized air. Ready to go. There's always the controversy. You start top, work your way down, bottom up, whatever. I heard you work toward your exhaust fan. My exhaust fan's in the ceiling, so I'm going to start at the bottom, work my way up. Now, I'm not going to be able to record all this because the garage gets pretty foggy with clear, and I don't want to wreck my phone. So I'll just show part of this. That should be good enough. Now stop the camera. Okay, it is 2:15. I'm calling it done for today. Got 2 more coats on it, and so I put in what, 4 hours and 5 minutes sanding and clearing, but I think that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Come back for part 15. I'm going to put it back together, you know, extensions and the tail lights, valence panel and all that, and take it outside and see what it looks like. See you then. Bye.